Hi, this is Dave of L. David Likes Photography, and just going to give you a couple tips on how to get your WordPress site uh, better up into the search engines. And one of the things I have found is two things: is to update services and also to install this SEO plugin uh, pack uh, for search engine optimization. So first thing you do is you get into the WordPress dashboard and we come down to settings and click on writing. From there, um, that would take you down to update services. And what you want to do is update services. Anytime you make a change to your website, the WordPress website, update services uh, uh, posts that change to the search engines. And it comes standard with this this one service here, this Ping-O-Matic service, but there's many more that will update to all much more service engines. So you come over and click on Update Services, and okay, so in addition to Ping-O-Matic are all these other services. So what you do is you would highlight them all and copy them, and then you would go back to update services and paste them all in, okay, and then save your changes. And that will give you a much broader spread of updates to all the different search engines. Okay, that's number one. Okay, number two is to install this all-in-one SEO pack by Michael Torbert. And you go into your plugins section of the dashboard, and you're going to add a plugin, install plugin. So you type in this all-in-one SEO pack. Okay, and this is it right here, all-in-one SEO pack by Michael Torbert. And you would install that. Now, the thing I ran into is you get this big red bar here, you know, because even after I installed it and got it set up, it it still gave me this red bar. I didn't understand what it was, but you still have to enable it. And what you can't see is up here in this red right here. You want to click on this link, and when you do that, it takes you down to this page. And as you can see here, it's right now it's disabled. So you would click on this other radio button to enable it. But before you do that, you would add some information, and this is part of the update to your website. Is you would put a home title. You would put some. This will become your new title. In this case, I put my name and photography, Photoshop instruction, and then this home description is additional description and any keywords you want to put in. And then pretty much everything else you just leave as is from what I understand. But when you do this, it will update Google and Yahoo. For example, in Google, and if you look down here, this is exactly what I put in: is fine art, photography, and training. Learn photography tips and Photoshop instruction online, and but the main title is the L. David Likes Photography, and Photoshop instruction. So it put it in there exactly the way I wanted it. So you'll know exactly how it should show up in search engines. Okay. And so anytime you want to check it out and make some changes, you go to settings and down to all-in-one SEO pack, and you can make some changes to that if you want to change the way it looks in the different search engines.